Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into this week's Kozmik Nails BBB Duo. Now the BBB Duo is released every Monday and it is new colors that are releasing with Kozmik Nails, and the duos are sold together at a discounted price. So right now you can get these duos in a sample size or 0.25 ounce jar, 0.7 ounce jar, or a 1 ounce jar in these duos. And check out this beautiful glitter. Isn't that pretty? So that pink one is called Into Deep, and Promises is that beautiful glitter. Now BBB stands for Big Bang Baby because you are getting a really awesome discount on some beautiful colors. Just to give you kind of like a price point perspective, the 0.25 ounce jar, you get both of those colors for $8, which is phenomenal. Plus you can use the discount code on top of it. And I do have a discount code if you are ever interested in using that on your Kozmik orders. It is Mallory15. And I make sure that I list all that information in the description box below for you as well. So we are dipping today on some shorties and we are using a dip liquid. Now you can see here how pretty that pink is. It is just a really awesome, beautiful pink. It's the perfect amount of brightness and I just really love this color. It's not only perfect for the Valentine's Day season, it is perfect for spring and those hot summer nights that are just around the corner. Even though we're only, what are we, in the end of January, I am so ready for summer. I live in Wisconsin and it is cold and it is in the negative temperatures today. So I am ready. I'm already thinking of spring and those warm summer nights. So that's where my mind's at. But these colors are super pretty and they coordinate so well together. And that glitter is so hypnotizing. It is giving me like all these like enchanted garden vibes, and I'm all about this glitter. So the BBB is released every Monday, just so you're aware. And that deal for that duo is good for that whole entire week until the next BBB Duo is released. Now, if you head over to Kozmik Nails on the website and click on the tab, you will find the BBB under the Duo deals. So you will get to see this week's deal and then you can see the previous weeks as well. But the price of the previous deal as well does go up a little bit. So you still can get last week's duo, just the price has increased by a little bit, but nothing too crazy in that price. Kozmik Nails has some really awesome dip powders and the price point is just right. Okay, so let's dive into this mani process and then we will get into the giveaway with all those details and how do you enter shortly.
goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
All right, so let's get into the giveaway. So I'm super excited. This is my first ever giveaway on my YouTube channel, and it's exclusive to my YouTube channel only. So that's super exciting. So it has nothing to do with anything on my Instagram. It's exclusively to my viewers on YouTube. So Kozmik Nails was super generous, and she is going to give the winner their own BBB Duo for this week, and it is going to be in the 0.25 ounce jars. So the winner will get this week's, the colors that you see here, BBB. So that's super exciting, and these colors are amazing. So whoever is the lucky winner, I'm so excited that you get to try these dips and create a fun mani with these beautiful dips. These are such amazing colors this week, and they're so pretty, and wait till you see these colors in person. You will definitely fall in love with them. Okay, so how do you enter the giveaway? So this giveaway is exclusively to my subscribers only. So the first thing is you must be subscribed to my channel, and you have to give this video a thumbs up. And then the other thing is you need to head over to Kozmik Nails Facebook group and join that Facebook group. And then let me know what your favorite Kozmik Nails dip color is, or if you haven't tried Kozmik Nails, what color are you looking forward to trying in the future? So those are the steps to enter in the giveaway. So you have to be subscribed to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, tell me what your favorite Kozmik Nails dip color is, or what color you are looking forward to trying in the future, and then join the Kozmik Nails Facebook group, and that is it. The giveaway will run from today, Monday, January 30th, and will end on Sunday, February 5th at midnight. That will be the last considered entry. So definitely make sure you enter, because these colors are amazing and they will be a perfect addition to your dip powder collection. All right, so let's keep dipping into this mani process, and then I will pop back in at the end.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes.
All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and how cute is this mani on these little shorties? I love these colors so much, and I think this mani is super adorable. There's just something about these colors and the glitter on these shorties that are just melting my whole heart right now. This duo is by far one of my favorites, and I feel like I say that every time I see the new BBB that is released, because they just keep getting better. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.